If you want to search out for different informations, then you can directly use the Explore option from within Google Drawings. So to do that, first of all, you need to click on Tools right here, and here you can see Explore is an option. So once you click on this, what happens is that you can go around over here and type in whatever you want. So if I were to type in TutorTube and press enter, you can see on the web it has some results about it. On the images, there is no results. In the drive, you can see that it accesses my drive right here to search out for files with TutorTube on it right here. So you can click on this and then access this out, as you can see right here. So it opens up the Jamboard file of TutorTube that I have in my drive itself. So I'm just going to go around and type in nature and press enter, and in images you can see that you have the images over here as well, and you can go around, and if you were to press the plus button, you can just bring that in onto your Google Drawing as well. So over here you can see that I can go around right here, type in TutorTube over here. So here you can see that there are different files that you can access out right away from your Google Drawings, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can utilize the Explore option inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe